Hey guys, welcome to the video. So I tell you what, I'm finding out that there is no better therapy than a top-down Jeep ride to Starbucks. So whenever I get a new truck, there's always a little bit of a dialing in process. And so I've started ordering a bunch of accessories and stuff, and I've got a few of them in already. Today I'm going to unbox those, go through them and install them, show you guys how they look on the Gladiator. And then I'm going to do my first wash, and I have something new to apply at the end of that wash. So let's start digging into that. Alright, so first up, got a screen protector for the infotainment system, so I'll be applying that. I got a tray for the passenger side that fits in that little handle in front of the seat. So my wife saw this and really wanted this so she'd have a spot to put her phone while she's riding in the Jeep. So got to take care of the wife. The other thing I got is something I'm going to apply after washing it. Alright, so this is Adam's H2O Garden Gloss. It's meant to be applied at the end of a wash. As the vehicle's wet, you're supposed to spray this on one panel at a time and then wipe it off. The idea is that it provides similar protection to what a ceramic coat would do, but just for not as long a period of time. You have to reapply this kind of every 3 to 6 months. The instructions also mention don't apply this after every wash, because if you do, there will be a bit of a buildup on your paint, so don't want that. Between uses of this, as I've mentioned on my channel, I'm a big fan of Adam's Detail Spray, which I also use at the end of washes to finish drying. So that also came with these awesome borderless gray plush towels from Adam, which I'll be using to actually apply it. Ooh, soft. I also have some new floor mats on the way. Those are supposed to be here later today. Hopefully they'll show up while I'm filming the video and I can include those as well. But either way, once they get here, I will make sure and include a clip of those in the Jeep. Alright, so really simple is just dropping it in there, and we'll do the foam test. Perfect. My wife will love that. So what's going to be a little bit more of a challenge is installing the screen protector for the infotainment system. So I'm going to speed this clip up and you guys can watch me struggle with this. Alright, so screen protector is installed. Doesn't look too bad. It was surprisingly easy. So this one's smooth finish. I'm just going to see how I like it. I don't know, I'm kind of hit or miss with screen protectors. I usually just prefer the look of just the screen, but wanted to see if this could kind of help with fingerprints. With this being smooth, I don't know if it will or not, but we'll see and we'll give it a shot. I was looking for something with more of like a matte finish, but couldn't really find anything on Amazon, but I'll have to keep searching for that. But yeah, we'll see how it does. So it's actually the next day, and my WeatherTech floor mats actually just arrived. So I actually got this same product in my Expedition that I had previously, and really like these. You can also get the floor liners that cover all of the carpet and are molded to the, excuse the sirens in the background. But these are actually half the price, and I found they're pretty easy to just pull out and clean, so I went with these again. Alright, so I'm going to put these in the Jeep and then show you guys what it looks like. So that's what they look like inside the Jeep. They snap in just like the factory mats, but because they're rubber, you're getting more protection with it. So you get some for the second row as well. And that's what those look like in here. Alright, so now that we've got the accessories installed, it's time for the part of the today's video that I'm most excited about, and that's the first wash. So I'm going to do a wash with my foam cannon, and then I'm actually going to clay bar this thing. I know maybe some of you are thinking, hey, it's new paint, why do you need to clay bar it? So just because it's new paint doesn't mean it doesn't have a bunch of contaminants on it. Keep in mind it's been in transport, it's been sitting on lots and out in the weather for a while, so if you rub your finger over it, I don't know if you can hear this. You can kind of hear that. So ideally that would be smooth and you wouldn't hear anything. but the fact that you rub your finger over and here, those little bit of just kind of light scratches, means there's contamination on top of the paint. So right after I wash it, I'm going to hit it with this Adams clay bar. You just go around all around the paint, kind of one section at a time. So I'll do that to get the contamination off, and then finish it off with this H2O garden gloss. Now, this is my first time using this, so I'm going to see how I like it, and I'll let you guys know my thought. So like I said earlier, the idea is it's supposed to give you protection of a ceramic coating without quite as much work to apply it, and also doesn't last as long. But the idea would be that it would make the water beat up off your paint more easily, and also protect you from things like bird droppings and stuff like that on your paint. Alright, so now that I've given the explanation, I'm going to go ahead and do the wash. I'm going to speed up this clip so you guys can just kind of see this in fast motion, because it's going to take a long time, and I'm going to be dripping in sweat by the end of it. A couple days ago it was like 102 degrees here. It's not quite that high, but with the humidity in Kansas, it always feels hot during the summer. Alright guys, so my battery cut out obviously during that sequence, so you didn't get to see all of it, but just to give you a quick update, did a quick wash. Obviously being brand new, didn't need a whole lot, it was in pretty good shape. So I did the clay bar over it. Didn't take up a lot, but just wanted to be sure that there wasn't any contaminants before I did the sealant. And then did the H2O garden gloss, and really the whole process of applying that only took like, I'd say a little over 30 minutes. You can see it okay in the garage here. I'll pull it out and get some shots of it in the sun. You see, I think it gives it a little nicer shine. It already looked good before, but maybe just enhance it a little. So we're all wrapped up with our wash, thankfully, because it's hot as hell out. Updates for the channel: I do have a tech update coming soon. I've made some updates to my office. I'm going to do a video updating on that, so be on the lookout for that. And of course, more Gladiator content coming soon. Tomorrow is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. And now that I have this project wrapped up, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of the weekend with my family. So guys, thanks as always for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.